How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok Shop not showing on your app. So first, what you can do is to go ahead and head over to TikTok, and then on TikTok, head over into your profile. So once you're on your profile, you need to go ahead and open the settings. So go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on profile, and then click on the burger icon at the top right of your screen. So at the right side, you'll be able to find settings and privacy. So click on this. And then on your settings, go ahead and look for the TikTok shop. Make sure the feature is turned on. Some users report the shop tab is disabled by default. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and update your TikTok app. So on your device, go ahead and open your Google Play Store if you're using Android, or App Store if you're using an iOS device. So on Google Play Store, go ahead and head over into the search tab. So go ahead and click on search, and then use the search bar to look for TikTok. And then once you find TikTok, make sure to update TikTok. So outdated versions may hide new features like TikTok Shop. And the last thing you can do is to go ahead and verify your account eligibility. So TikTok Shop requires accounts to follow community guidelines. Violations such as spam, inappropriate content may restrict access, and business or creator accounts may need additional verification. And that is how you can basically fix TikTok Shop not showing.